Well, I think my new reel is here. I'm pretty stoked. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, Tackle Warehouse threw in a t-shirt for me. That's cool. Check that out later. Very cool. Curado MGL 151 HG. Yes, I like my reels lefty. Let's see what this thing looks like. Sure. Instructions there. Manual. Oh boy. Wow. This thing is way smaller than I thought. That is sick, man. All right, so this is it. The Shimano Curado MGL 151 HG. This thing is badass looking, man. This real subtle green paint on the sides. I don't even know if you can see it, but it's got a green tint to it. The face of it is black, buttons black, spools black. Knob is like a black and silver. Handle is a nice chrome silver look with the chrome caps on these black knobs here. It is super light, man. 6.5 ounces, you can really feel it. This thing's got 13 pounds of drag, which I'm stoked about. I think it has the most drag of like any of these reels. I was gonna get the 70, the MGL 70, but I was worried about running out of line, so I feel like this thing is gonna solve all my problems. I got that light spool. I fish a lot of light baits, so it should help me bomb those out there pretty well, and I'll still have the extra line to deal with certain situations. The 70, I think, is just better suited for flipping and pitching and, you know, when you're on a boat, and I do a lot of shore fishing, so having that extra line is definitely going to come in handy. Wow. This thing's sweet, man. Yep. I got the 4-to-1 ratio, went right in between the 6 and the 8, figured that would be more versatile and just go right down the middle there. Like I said, it's 6.5 ounces, 13 pounds of drag. It's got the 6 bearings in it. It's got dual braking system, which is sick. Let's pop this thing open. Whew. Yeah, 6 in there. Came 3 on, 3 off from the factory. This thing is badass. Then you got your dial here where you can really dial it in. I think it came stock on number 4. I don't know if you could see that. Really nice, man. I think this thing's gonna hold 120 yards of 10-pound mono, 110 yards of 12-pound mono, and I think 90 yards of 14-pound mono. And then if you're throwing braid, it'll be 150 for 20-pound, 135 yards for 30-pound, and like 105 yards for 40-pound. So definitely have some extra line to play with. That's nice. It's pretty quiet. Button's really responsive. Not a lot of real estate though here. I have pretty big hands and the button's a little small, but it'll be fine. You can see my thumb pretty much covers that whole area. It almost barely fits into the spool area. I don't know if you can see that. That's pretty crazy, huh? But it should be all right. I'm stoked to see it cast. Really nice. So I'm gonna get some line on this thing and get it out to the water and see how she does. Really nice. All right, I got a rattle trap on this new Curado reel. I'm gonna give it a shot. 3 brakes are on, and I got it on 4, so I'm gonna start it up a little higher at like 5 and just see what happens here. All right, that was really taking it easy. All right, well, that's with 3 brakes on and the other brake set to 5, and I got 10-pound test on. All right, let's click this over to 4. See if that gives me a little more distance. All right, about the same. Let's try 3. A little better. Let's try 2. Huh. It's about the same, a little looser. I mean, that's not a bad cast.
No.
It's casting pretty good. I got 3 brakes on too. I might take one off.
Yeah.
I
What
might.
does it come stock? 2 on, 2 off?
3 on, 3 off. It's got 6.
Oh, wow.
I love how this reel has, some of them will fall right off on you.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. I'm gonna go back to 4 now that I took these brakes off, or 1 brake off. See what it does. About the same. Damn, I didn't have my thumb on the reel at all, and it stayed really controlled.
That's great.
It's pretty sick. You know what it is too? I have the tension pretty tight. Like there's that knob here, and what you want to do is you want to set it so the bait falls really slow, like that. And so if I loosen that up, you know. All right, now this thing is falling a little faster. That was a little further, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. This feels good.
Good.
It's nice. I didn't touch that at all,
Nice.
and it stayed completely controlled and bombed out there pretty good. Wow, I'm impressed. This is not the best rod for this either, you know?
Yeah.
I wish I had a couple extra inches. I would have a couple extra feet on my cast.
Right.
Now I'm on 1. This should be interesting. Ah, that's where it started. That's where I lost it.
Yeah.
1. Okay. All right, so I've been using this Shimano Curado MGL 150 for 2 or 3 weeks now. I've thrown everything on it, man. 1/4 ounce drop shots, Ned rigs, weightless Senkos, little crankbaits, lipless crankbaits, underspins, pretty much anything you think of, man. Jerk baits. And I gotta say, man, it's pretty awesome. I like it a lot. I think I've left it on 4 brakes off, 2 brakes on, and I've been leaving it around 2 to 3 on the outside dial. So haven't had any problems with it, man. I think once or twice I got a little backlash when I got a little cute with the brake and brought it all the way down to like a 1, but other than that, it's really, really smooth, really controlled. And yeah, I think I'm gonna buy more of them actually, so I can definitely recommend it. Go for it. Great reel. Can never really go wrong with Shimano, can you? So yep, that's it, man. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like, and if you're into this sort of thing, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Later. If you want to see more videos just like this one, be sure to check out the rest of the Where We Wild YouTube channel, where we post a brand new video every week. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever we post a new adventure. Thanks for watching.